In the recent past, the Toyota Tundra of the third generation made its debut, and for the upcoming 2024 model year, it presents a fresh interpretation of an iconic trim level. The 1794 variant, bearing the name of the very ranch upon which the Tundra's San Antonio manufacturing facility stands, is about to get even more impressive with the introduction of the 1794 limited edition. This iteration places a heightened focus on delivering a premium leather interior experience while also elevating its off-road capabilities. Devotees of the Tundra have always taken pride in their robust and enduring trucks. This new special edition, with its exclusive production run of a mere 1,500 units, adds a layer of exclusivity to this rugged legacy. Rooted in the 1794 Tundra trim, the 1794 limited edition boasts a Crew Max cab, a 5.5-foot bed, 4-wheel drive, and the iForce Max powertrain, all standard features. The exceptional premium leather upholstery, along with its intricate design, has been meticulously crafted through a collaborative effort with the Saddleback Leather Company. These two Texas-based juggernauts have accomplished a remarkable feat by sourcing leather that impeccably aligns with their exacting standards of excellence, durability, and style, a sensory experience that will undoubtedly captivate customers. What adds an extra layer of excitement to this 1794 limited edition is the incorporation of several Saddleback Leather Company accessories that seamlessly complement the truck. These include a capacious overnight bag, a tool roll, an owner's portfolio, a key glove, and a petite pouch. However, the engineers didn't limit their focus to just enhancing the interior's aesthetics. They have also implemented a revamped Fox suspension system and an off-road inspired wheel and tire combination. The inclusion of 2.5-inch diameter Fox internal bypass shocks, complete with piggyback reservoirs and a 1.1-inch lift, not only enhances the truck's stance but also augments its off-road prowess. There are also distinctive exterior design revisions that harmoniously tie the entire package together. A dark chrome grille and body side moldings, accentuated with blacked-out elements, a uniquely stamped tailgate, and, within the cabin, an embossed emblem signifying the truck's exclusivity as one of only 1,500. Anticipate the arrival of the Toyota Tundra 1794 limited edition in dealerships in the spring of 2024. It will be offered in a palette of colors, including wind chill pearl, midnight black metallic, blueprint, and smoked mesquite, allowing buyers to make a distinctive choice that resonates with their unique preferences.